Hi guys, thank you so much for watching That Petite Cheek. I'm Dhanashree and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. I would be really happy if you do so. And today I'm going to bleach my hair. I've got three blonde powders from Streax. I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need because my hair are pretty black and I'm not going to do just the ends. I'm going in from here, like this length, so I'm not sure how much I'm gonna need, but this is the developer that I'm using. It is for like 100 bucks and I've got these for 50 rupees each. So let's not waste the time and let the bleaching begin.
Okay guys, so now I'm applying the bleach starting from the back section of my hair, and I'm using a brush and a comb so that the bleach is evenly spread in all the strands of my hair.
This is how the bleach last night turned out. I know it's very pathetic. Also, kai jagah pe it's whitish, and kai jagah pe there are still strands that are not even orange. So my head is orange. I'm having a orange head situation, and it's pretty awful. I'm gonna give it one last try. Also, please wear gloves if you're bleaching your hair at home, because yesterday I couldn't find my gloves and I ended up using my hands, and by the end of the whole bleaching process my hands started burning and there's still pain on the nails. It was pretty red, so the nail bed is also damaged and all of it, so I couldn't still find my gloves. So Samiksha she made a pair of gloves for me, so I'm gonna use this right now, and we're gonna again use three bleaches, three blonde powders like I used earlier, but this time I'm gonna section it like properly, so I guess that's going to be a time lapse for you.
Okay, so having my first attempt failed terribly at bleaching, I've learned to section my hair and then apply the bleach. So I'm sectioning it, and it took me like 15 minutes to section all of my hair, and this is how it turned out to be.
Okay guys, so I'm done parting my hair. I know I look super weird and I look super funny, but yeah, we're gonna try it one last time and I hope it works. I'm praying it works, because right now it's literally blonde, black, brown, golden, so it's just very torturing or weird, I would say. But okay, I'm ready with the same old t-shirt I wore yesterday. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix these blonde powder and the developer. This is 40 volume. Now let's get started. I'm sorry ये आवाज आ रहा है, तो I'm gonna time lapse the whole thing. So this is how the blonde powder looks.
Okay guys, so I'm finally bleaching my hair for the second time, and trust me, it is not as easy yet it seems to be. It is really difficult, and it took me around 40 minutes to complete my whole hair, and it was so painful. Like my arms started paining, but I finally did it.
This is how my hair looks and I'm pretty happy with the crown section. मतलब मैंने यहाँ पे काफ़ी अच्छे से bleach किया. It's just I couldn't reach all the parts of my hair. So yeah, this is how it finally looks. I don't like it that much, but I also wanted to try how it looks. So I'll put up the makeup and I'll be back. Okay guys, so this is how I look with the makeup on. I have applied a foundation, a little bit of highlighter, some lipstick and eyeshadow, a little bit of it. So this is how I look with the makeup on and the hair. I hope you liked it, and now I want to talk about few mistakes that I did in the whole process while bleaching my hair and how you can avoid doing those mistakes. First thing I would like to suggest you guys is wear gloves. Please wear gloves. Do not use the bleach without wearing gloves, because by the end of the whole process, for the first time which I did, I completely kind of burned my hand. I could not feel my fingers whatsoever, and the whole nail wala situation, like the whole nail bed and all of was swollen a bit. So that is the reason the second bleach I did was days after. So by that time my nails and my fingers were a bit calmed and they were not in so much of pain. But for the first day when I finished bleaching my hair, I had ridiculous pain in my fingertips and on my nail bed. So avoid doing it bare hands. Please wear gloves. That's the first mistake I did, and I would really recommend you to wear gloves. Now the second mistake I did was I did it myself. So if you cannot seek help, I get it, I understand, not everybody is available according to our timing, I get it. So when you want to bleach it, make sure कि आप section wise करो. And if you're doing it by yourself, make sure you have two mirrors, one which you can have in front of you and one behind you, so that way आप पीछे का देख सकते हो. So in my case what I did was I was recording the video, right? So I shot the whole पीछे का video, and after that I just turned around and I stopped the video. I watched the whole thing to see where I have gone wrong और कहाँ bits and pieces रह गए हैं, so that I could just correct it. But when you see, there are still pieces like inside my hair which are more darker compared to this one, because this I could see. Okay, so ye wale are more light. See the crown section also, this part is more lighter compared to the ones here. So this was behind, right? So I could not see it properly. So have a mirror, or if you're doing it for the second time, make sure you first bleach the parts that are very dark compared to the ones that are already lightened or are in orange color. Okay, next thing I would like to say is do not keep the bleach for more than 1 hour. Your hair will start falling off. Okay, whether the bleach worked or not, your hair is going to start falling. So to avoid that, make sure you wash your head within an hour. So once एक hour का mark खत्म होता है, please go straight away in the bathroom and wash your hair off, because you don't want to lose hair from your head, right? So do that, because I had hair fall. I did face hair fall issues, but I watched lots and lots of videos before bleaching my hair at home. So yeah, I took precautions ki I'm not gonna keep it for more than an hour, so I'm gonna wash it whatsoever. So for the first thing, like the first bleach session, I bleached it at like raat ko 2:30 and I washed it at 3:30 sharp. So yeah, and talking about the hours, make sure ki agar if you're bleaching this section of your head, pehle wash that first off and then go आगे से, so that क्योंकि when you're applying यहाँ पे 1 घंटा हो गया होगा, right? So the colors will vary. ठीक है, so this will be much lighter if you're going from behind and upwards. So this will be more lighter compared to the crown section or to the front section of your hair. So what you can do is wash it off the way you applied it. That's what I would say, so that the bleach that's in front of your head in the upper section will get a little more time to bleach your hair. So yeah, next I would suggest is please section your hair while bleaching. I did the biggest mistake. I did not section it well for the first time, and that is the reason I have patchy bleach. It's all patchy, I would say. there are orange parts, there are brown parts, there are white parts, so it's very patchy. So make sure you're parting your hair really well. It's gonna take you a while to part the hair, but trust me, it's gonna be worth it, because for the second time when I bleached my hair, it went so well. Also, it was very I would say smooth. The application went really smooth compared to the one where I did not section my hair completely, as you have seen in the video. So I would say please section your hair. It's gonna take few extra minutes, but it's gonna be worth it. I would say कि पहले when you do it for the first time, it's not surely gonna change to level 9 of the bleached hair. Okay, you are not going to go to the level 9, that is the lightest you can go with the bleach, I guess. So that's not gonna happen if you have dark hair like I did. So it's gonna take you a while, and if अगर आपने mixing अच्छे से किया होगा तो maybe हो भी जाएगा if you apply the foil and all correctly, and if you have a help, that is going to be much easier. Because for me, I applied the bleach piche and then I forgot applying the foil, and after I applied it all over my head, then I applied the foil, so it was a messy for the first time, I would say. So but if you are getting help for the first time and the second time as well, it's going to be very smooth, as well as it's going to be much shades, like much level lighter than what I have, because of the mistakes that I did. So if you avoid those mistakes, you will get much lighter tone very quickly. Okay, and the last thing that I would say is when you're bleaching like one after the other, I would say take a day or two off while bleaching. So within 24 hours एक ही बार bleach करो. That is what I would suggest, because the more you bleach, the more damage is happening to your hair, right? So to avoid that, what I did was, this is something you can totally skip if you want, but what I did was, after I washed the bleach off and I dried my hair, and then I applied oil. Now I know काफ़ी weird sound कर रहा है कि bleach करने के बाद oil लगाया. It's just to protect my scalp, because I did it from the roots, right? So to avoid any dryness or any itchiness and all of that, I applied coconut oil to my scalp and all over my hair, and then next day I washed it, and after letting it dry, I again applied the bleach. So I would suggest take 24 hours का gap at least, and बीच में आप coconut oil लगा सकते हो, या any oil whichever you prefer, so that your scalp is moisturized and you don't have any reactions if you have क्योंकि किसी को bleach से बहुत सारा itching होता है. I did face it a little bit, I would say, but yeah, काफ़ी itching होता है या burning sensation. So when you apply coconut oil, it's all gonna be calmed down. So yeah, you can apply coconut oil. I think I've covered all the mistakes that I have done, and all the things I wanted to tell you guys. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me if you subscribe, and also hit that tiny bell icon right next to the subscribe one, so you will be notified every time I put up a new video on YouTube. And also follow me on my socials. I'll mention all the links in the description bar below, so you can check it out. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.